I am Arosa Asra. I'm going to show you how to beat games with one life. From some of the hardest games to stay alive in, I've got to make it through a bunch of holes and enemies each game. In sort of games that would fill up your save file without the right game skills. This is Survivor Game. I just put on a mask. And they'll be like, oh yeah, no, come in. No driving lags. Aren't you guys? Yeah, I'm unacceptable to bound. Let's see how far down it is. Stop that. See, they only have one life. I'm left jumping. I'm not going to do that. We're going back there. Wherever we're going to next. Going back to the shop. I want to explore all the areas. Down to the south. Alright, here's the next town. Doctor Use attacked. It did critical damage. Daughter attacked skeleton. Skeleton fear. Daughter 1. Daughter got 2 XP. No level up. What the hell is on here? Oh no. We're not going here. I already said we're not going here. Dr. Use Ocarina of Time. Zelda wins. Right now what we're doing. Right, I have no idea what I'm on. Alright, we're gonna break the definition. We're gonna find out how to work the chicken puzzle out. Once I get there, it's gonna be on the website. And we know what people thinking. God damn it, Zelda! Link. Stop using sun sound. Wait a second, boy. It's not that. Wait a second. Say again. What the hell's going on? How many days have it been? No night. Didn't that even count? It's still 24 hours a day or what? No mind, I'll just be like, what the hell is going on? Just trying to process all this. So someone's out to count me because they want this thing. But Link don't eat sleep. Straight spots. This is going to be down there, so once again. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna work out how to do this puzzle. We'll see ya. Hello and welcome to Survivor Game Legend of Zelda. And I've turned down the sound. So I figured out what I gotta do. Well, lag in a Zelda game. Anyway, We're going to Hyrule Castle. I'm just gonna run directly there. Shut up, Navi. Starting to get used to the N64 controller again. Also, I don't know how to get past the guy at the gate. It sort of occurred to me. There's a reason why I got this letter. What letter, Rosser? You mean the letter that was in your inventory this entire time? Wait a second, be right back. I'm just gonna go check something. And I'm back. So I'm just gonna break some pots. You know, because I hate pots. Nintendo hates pots. We all hate pots. And I bet Nintendo's got a pot breaking simulator on the way. It's called Legend of Zelda Pot Breaking Simulator. Come on, what other game do you break pots in? This game, Wilson. Shut up. Anyway, we're nearly there. Break, break. Now we need 80 rupees, I think. Oh, we'll just go with 99. I mean, because why not? It's max. Pretty sure it's 80 though. But just to be sure, 99. 99 for the win. Well, what? Oh. Okay, I really like it. I don't know why. Alright, seems to smooth down. Wait a second. Oh, come on, I can't change the view here. This will be a matter if I change view. So with this area. Wait, there we go. Right here. See that shield? That's what we want. What the? Alright. Let's just play the... Wait, wrong one. This better work. Come on, I have the note and I know the Zelda's love bot. Wait, don't no one else know that. Alright. Second plant. Wait, is that a person that makes you stronger? Let's check this out. Welcome. Reading person. Wait a second. But Max is not. Did they deliberately put items that you can't get in this game? I mean, why even put them in? Waste of cartridge space. Wait. Dope. Dun 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 dun. Running out of town. Alright, next place is the K-Town. Kmart. Going to the Kmart, people. Let's go to Kmart. Let's go to Target. shit. Okay. Now it's going thriller. Oh my god, it's Elvis Presley. Nah. That wasn't even funny. Go, go, go. Up here. I want an extra heart. Alright. Let's go up here. And I got an idea. May sound dumb. May not sound dumb. May actually sound pretty logical. What the hell? Who the hell's this guy? People are disgusting. My own father and mother are disgusting. You must be disgusting too. Wait, did I press the skip? Okay, I didn't press the skip button. I know what you mean, man. I know what you mean.